there. It's me, Titi Waka. Hi. You know what time it is.
W-A-K-A. Can you say W-A-K-A? What you say? It's Titi Waka time. It's Titi Waka time. It's Titi Waka time. It's Titi Waka time.
Hi, guys. I didn't know you came so soon. How are ya? I'm so glad to see you. I was just dancing, being silly, waving my arms. Do you know how to say arms in Spanish? Brazos. Brazos is how you say arms in Spanish. Brazos. Brazos. That's how you say arms in Spanish. Okay, guys. It's time for you to put on your thinking caps and try to guess what am I thinking. Okay. It's an animal. 4 legs. Gray and black. It looks like it has a mask on its eyes. Let's hear that again. It's an animal, gray and black. 4 legs. Looks like it has a mask on its eyes. What am I thinking, guys? Did you guess? Did you figure it out? Okay. I was thinking a raccoon, guys. Did you guess a raccoon? If you did, good job. All right. Now you know what time it is, right? Before we play the next game, I want you to get loose. So can you get silly with me real quick? Are you ready? I want to get silly, silly, silly. Can you just get silly, silly, silly? Silly, silly, get loose, get silly, silly, silly. Shake it up, get silly, silly, silly. Get silly, silly, silly. Everybody get silly, silly. Did you get silly with me? Did you loosen up? Are you ready now to play thumbs up or thumbs down? Okay. Let's see. If I say something that you see pop up on your screen, give it a thumbs up. And if you don't see what I mentioned on your screen, thumbs down. Are you ready? Okay. Here we go. Do you see a baby on your screen? Is there a baby on your screen right now? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Okay. Do you see on your screen glasses? Do you see glasses on your screen right now? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Okay, let's see. Do you see a raccoon on your screen right now? Is there a raccoon on your screen? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Guys, you're so good at this game. Okay, now, you know what time it is? It's time for us to burn some energy. So, let's burn some. Okay, today, I'm thinking we're gonna jump twice and do 2 jumping jacks. What do you think? You wanna try it? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh, guys, did you do it? Did you join me? Did you burn some energy? Do you want to burn some energy again? Are you ready? Okay. Are you ready? One, two, three, go! 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, you burn energy with me? Whew, I burned some energy. Okay, now it's time for you to go see Titi Cindy so she can read you a great story and tell you some new words. And then you'll come back and see me, okay? I'll see you. Bye.
It's a silly song.
Oh, hey friends, amigos y amigas. Welcome back. Hi, Titi Waka. Thanks for sending your friends over to me. Oh, you want to hear a story? Oh, that. I was just dancing. Sometimes you gotta dance like nobody's watching. Oh, you were watching? Oh, that's okay. You just gotta have fun, right? Today I have a story about a dancing raccoon. You should gather around, put your listening ears, and listen to the story. This one's going to be fun. Romero, the Dancing Raccoon, or in Spanish, Romero, el Mapache Bailarín. In a quiet forest at the edge of a big city, there lived a little raccoon named Romero. Romero didn't care much for digging through trash or climbing trees like the other raccoons. No, Romero had one big passion: dancing, or as he liked to say, bailar. Every night when the moon rose high and the stars twinkled bright, Romero would tiptoe out of his cozy den, put on his shiny red scarf, and head to the clearing, where the music played from a tiny, forgotten radio. Es hora de bailar! He would cheer, spinning in circles. Romero didn't just dance. He danced with rhythm and style. His favorite dances were merengue, salsa, and bachata. First came the merengue. Romero would tap his feet quickly, left, left, right, swaying his fluffy tail side to side. Mira mis pies! Look at my feet, he giggled, spinning like a top. Then came the salsa. Romero would hop and twirl, clapping his little paws to the beat. Uno, dos, tres, cinco, seis, siete, he counted out loud. Even the owls hooted in time. Hoo, hoo, go Romero! Finally, he danced the bachata, slow and smooth, stepping side to side with a wiggle and a wink. One night, the other forest animals snuck over to watch. At first, they giggled from behind the trees, but soon Romero invited them to join. Come bailar conmigo. Come dance with me, he said. The foxes learned the merengue, the deer twirled in salsa, and the squirrels swayed to bachata. Even the grumpy old bear clapped along. From that night on, every Friday was forest fiesta night. The animals would gather, the stars would shine, and Romero would lead them in his favorite thing of all, to dance, bailar. And oh, how they danced. The end. That was a fun one. Were you dancing? We should have music. Maybe I should go play some music and learn to dance, just like Romero the raccoon. But before we go, let's see what's in my little pouch of love. Besitos! Those are kisses and they are just for you. Until next time, friends. Bye!
Hey everybody, it's BCD. Come on. You're gonna need a piece of paper and a washable marker. And remember, you always have to ask a parent or guardian for permission anytime you want to do something like this, okay? Okay, now while you go get the things that you need to draw with DDD, we're gonna dance. What do you think? I love that idea. Okay, guys, so you go get your things, and what we're gonna do is We're gonna dance, we're gonna dance, while we wait for you to get your things. We're gonna dance, we're gonna dance, while we wait for you to get your things. We're gonna dance, we're gonna dance, while we wait for you to get your things. We're gonna dance, we're gonna dance, while we wait for you to get your things. We're gonna dance, we're gonna dance, while we wait for you to get your things. I hope you got your things and I hope you're ready. I'll see you soon. Have fun. Thanks, Titi Waka. Let's start.
Today, we're going to be drawing a raccoon. First, we have to draw a circle for the head. Then, we're going to go ahead and draw his nose, his eye, the other eye, color in the nose, and then we got to make sure we color in his eyes. Now, we can never ever forget that smile. So we put the smile and his famous mask, color that in along with his ears, and we are all done. This is our raccoon. Thanks for joining me, guys.
Now, before we go, you know it gotta be somebody's birthday out there today, right? So I want to say, if it's your birthday, happy birthday. I'm so happy for you. I hope you have a great day. So we're going to sing happy birthday to you now, okay? Sing with me. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my friend. Happy birthday to you. I am so happy you came to see me today. And I hope you come and see me again, okay? Remember, I love you. Bye.
Hi kids. Hello. I'm Titi Waka.
Make sure you subscribe.